Little Round Top. In Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. It was on the second day of the Battle of Gettysburg on July 2, 1863, that James Longstreet, a Confederate lieutenant general, and his First Corps began his attack here at Little Round Top. As you look out over the terrain today, you can almost hear the cannon and rifle fire. The anticipation those soldiers up here would have had to be unbearable, waiting for the assault of those troops below to begin. As you can see, this would have been a very strategic vantage point. As we can see looking down on the pending attackers, the 20th Maine Volunteer Infantry Regiment, commanded by Colonel Joshua Lawrence Chamberlain, fought its most famous engagement here, culminating in a dramatic downhill bayonet charge. The battle at Little Round Top subsequently became one of the most well-known actions at Gettysburg. Look here, we can see down into another infamous battle spot known as the Devil's Den. As we walk up, you will see the statue of General Gouverneur K. Warren. He was nicknamed the Hero of Little Round Top. Gettysburg is one of our favorite locations we have had the pleasure over the years to visit. We equally have had the pleasure making this short video for you. If you like this video and want to see more of what we have to share at the Pittsburgh Traveler, please subscribe today. Leave us a comment and consider becoming a part of our community, as we want to grow this channel for you. Thank you, and visit us soon.